Okay, instructions number 1, currently in robot, there's a getter method for number of sensors, but no setter method. What if we need to add or remove some sensors? Let's fix that. Add a setter method named number of sensors using the set keyword, provide a parameter of num, leave the function body empty for now. So set of sensors, the parameter of num. Okay, let's click here on that. Okay, so number 2, there's a couple of things we should do in the setter method. Add a check to see if num is a number using the type of operator. Okay, so now we're going to start off with the conditionals. So if type of num is equal to number and num is greater than or equal to 0, then we're going to reassign this dot underscore num of centers to num. Okay, so now add an else that logs pass in a number that is greater than or equal to 0. Else log pass in a number that is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so number 4, use the number of sensors setter method on robot to assign number of sensors to 100. But use the number of sensors setter method on robot. So robot.number of sensors. So I've got access to number of sensors here, right? Method on robot to assign number of sensors to 100. Let's run that. That's right. Okay, so number 5, to check that the setter method worked, console.log robot.number of sensors. Let's run that. Yeah, it worked. It did access. All right, guys. Because you see what happens. So we accessed robot over here, right? We access this concise body over here, and then dot number of sensors, and we've got access to number of sensors. And if you guys recall here, so here we've reassigned robot.number of sensors or number of sensors itself to 100, and now we're just logging that. That's why we get that answer. Okay, let's move on.